Hi everyone, it's Heidi and it's time for Tip Tuesday again. And today I decided to talk to you a little about, or give you some oils that you can maybe use for motivation. Some of you probably have set some goals, and just this time of year, sometimes we can get kind of depressed and just not very motivated and just need some extra help. And oils help with all kinds of things, and motivation is one of them. So I have a bunch of oils here that I'm going to share with you. One of them that works really the best for me is if I light the fire oil in my diffuser, I just get so much done and I'm so motivated, and it just helps me to get all kinds of stuff done. So light the fire, I would think, is my favorite for that type of thing. And then obviously there is motivation oil. And this one comes in a pink bottle. I don't know, maybe I've told some of you this, but I had a daughter that was not getting her job. And one day I put motivation in the diffuser, and she said she thought she was going to throw up because it smelled so bad. And we all know that essential oils, if they smell bad to you, it's because you need them. So motivation is a good one. Maybe your kids are not motivated to do their schoolwork. You could put the diffuser on when they get home from school or something like that, and helps with motivation. If you don't feel like exercising, you can put motivation on maybe the back of your neck or on your feet or whatever, and just help you to feel motivated to exercise. Excuse me, my throat is crazy. And then there might be other reasons why you aren't motivated. It might be a spiritual reason. Maybe you just are kind of mad at God, or maybe you have something sad in your past that's causing you issues, not making you feel motivated. Frankincense is a good oil to use for just getting connected with God again and spiritually and that kind of thing. So that might be one that you could use. Maybe you're feeling kind of sad, and joy oil, of course, is a favorite of a lot of people. So joy would be a good one to put on every day, just to help you have a better outlook on life and be able to feel motivated to do stuff. And then if you feel you're more low on energy, and that's why you're not motivated, there's an EnRGee oil even. So EnRGee is really good for energizing you. Some people put it on their adrenals, on their back in here, and other people just put on their wrists or that kind of thing. Citrus Fresh is also a good one motivation-wise, as far as making you feel happy. It has lemon and orange and tangerine, and who can't feel happy when you are smelling an orange? So Citrus Fresh also can be very motivating, either applied or in the diffuser or whatever. If you are also, again, with having some emotional things that are causing you issues and not being motivated, release oil is good to help release some things out of your life that don't need to be there anymore. Another cool oil is called Transformation, and this one I've had for a long time, and I've been using this one a lot more, just as working with emotions and things like that. When those emotions come to the surface and you're starting to deal with them, then Transformation can help you move out of that, so that can help you be motivated. And of course, the last but not least is Peppermint, because Peppermint is just very energizing. You can put it on when you exercise, put it on before, you can diffuse it or whatever. I just really think Peppermint's very energizing. So hopefully this has been helpful for you, and let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.